Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, you're gonna see how to repost on Instagram. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram. Once in there, make sure you have logged into your desired account. So if you want to repost any of the posts from your newsfeed, you can just tap on this repost icon under the specific post or reel. So once you tap on it, there is a tick mark, and here is a bubble to drop an emoji or a note. So you can just drop a emoji or add anything you want. So I'm gonna just add this one and tap on save. And once it is saved, you can see that this is reposted at here. You can also just change it by keeping tapped on it and tap on your profile and go to the repost tab. And here you can see the videos or any post or reel that you have reposted on your repost tab of your profile. So yeah, this is how easy it is to do. Hope this video helped you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.